that's why I be on TV. That motherfucker is slick. Get your ass up here. Damn. I think it's the wind. This bitch turned sideways right here. She like turned sideways. Just having me a little smoke break right in the middle of the damn Times Square.
Smile to the camera.
I always do. That's my boy Javier right there. He be getting all the bitches. Welcome to the 808. I'm M to the K. I'm feeling great.
His license plate says whole bag.
Whole bag? Aim it at the Coroner truck. Have you guys ever hotboxed one of these?
Coming.
Oh my god. Wait. Oh my god. I was locked in the motherfucking Corona. Oh my god, what the fuck was that? I was scared for my life. Well, I suggest hotboxing a Corona's truck. I wouldn't do that shit. That's a cop?
I don't know. Yeah, well, as soon as we get upstairs, we're running great on time. We're good.
What?
I mean, we do one little walk right here.
I bet you they're playing Pokemon Go. So, you guys think you got more Pokemon than me?
Nah, dude, I just started.
Did you know I'm the first person in North America to catch them all?
Really?
I caught them all, every single one. I'm the first person to do it, and I'm getting a flight to Macau, China for the Pokemon battleships this week. And I'm here for Hawaii for Pokemon Go Challenge Weekly that we're filming on the beach.
That's sweet.
You guys been watching the Challenge Weekly shows? Go to Pokemongo.com/Challenge Weekly. Right here, this is the website. We're right here on it. And basically, Nintendo got us going all over the world playing Pokemon. And you know we just dropped it in Japan 2 days ago.
Yeah.
So Japan just got it. Now we went up our shares to $28 a share.
Yeah,
ever since that. So now you could buy a share today. Tomorrow it'll be worth $38. You can flip it for 10 bucks.
Probably.
I think you should do it. How many Pokemon you got? What level are you on?
I'm on level 9.
Level 9. What level are you on? 12. He's kicking your ass.
I just started.
Keep kicking his ass. There's a Charizard hanging around Jurassic Park, just to let you know. If you go to Jurassic Park in Oahu, there's a Charizard there. I told you. I let them know where the Charizard is. Because I already got the Charizard. I got them all. So I just wanted him, go find a Charizard. I ain't got no goddamn Charizard. I think this phone is ringing. Hello? You have a question, huh? What kind of question? What was that? I didn't say it again. Speak up. Yeah, well, You're gonna have to come down here and look for yourself because I've been running around this motherfucker all day and I ain't feeling like looking. Okay? I said I've been walking around this motherfucker all day and my feet hurt. Did you hear me?
Yeah, I heard you.
Do you understand that my feet hurt?
I'm just asking a question. That's customer service.
So, yeah, this is Macy's. Do you want to come bring your lazy ass down here and find the damn shit yourself? Look, I don't know. I ain't got time for all that shit. You need to bring your ass down here. You want whatever you looking for, okay? You got it? You heard me? Alright. Oh, Pokemon face ass motherfucker calling my phone, tripping out on me. I'm gonna figure it out. Look at that. They have real koi fish. You're not allowed to touch or feed them. See, that's a koi. Oh, I touched him. I love koi fish. My friend Cal got it tatted on his arm. Cal Newman. You look good, girl. Oh my God, look at her. She's just some. Give me money. Yeah. You look good, girl. She look good. She over here snowing. We at Fendi, the Fendi store, buying a couple things. You know, that little motherfucker cool. That little bitch cool. Look at this bitch. My girl likes them all. Might get her a little something. She's into all this shit. This shit on sale. Probably get her that. Oh, these shirts is hard than a motherfucker, huh? I might have to get me one of these Fendi shirts with the, you know what I'm saying? The little Fendi bag. That motherfucker clean than a bitch. With the little Fendi shoes, huh? That motherfucker clean. Oh look, on the Sunday Nickel is here. Kate Hudson marries Ashton Kutcher. Fousey Tube and Roman Tube is on tour. Cool. That thing looks so cool.
Cool, you think like a bird's eye view photo, yeah?
Yeah, if I had one of these, I'd play with it at my house and just break it.
I was asking if they're built of Legos.
No, one time, no, this is an architect. An architect made this. In Vegas, I grew up in Vegas, and when they used to build like new hotels and stuff, they used to have this exact kind of stuff with the new property. And I used to like break into it, like lift it up like that and like break the shit. And then the architect would have to make a whole new one. And that cost thousands of dollars of work. Just break it down, like have fun. Like imagine if you're by yourself, you're not getting in trouble, you would break it. You would definitely break it, I know you. Especially the little kid you. Which one would be the best for to record with a drone? Okay. So with your so it probably won't work with it today.
Got a crib out of anthem. Ever since I made it. All the hoes all love. I'm Big Keys. I'm stung on the weekdays. Like a motherfucking weekend. I'm from Vegas.